Harnessing the power of semicolons in academic writing. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into an important but often misunderstood punctuation mark, the semicolon. Specifically, we will focus on its appropriate use in academic writing. Understanding and applying semicolons correctly can take your writing to the next level, making your sentences more nuanced and your ideas clearer. Let's start with the basics. A semicolon is a punctuation mark that indicates a pause, typically between two main clauses, that is more pronounced than a comma but less final than a period. The semicolon's main role is to link closely related ideas. In academic writing, semicolons help convey complex ideas in a concise and elegant manner. They allow you to express related thoughts within a single sentence, maintaining the logical flow and keeping the reader's attention on your argument. Example: climate change poses serious threats to global ecosystems. Addressing these challenges requires international cooperation. One primary use of the semicolon is to connect two independent clauses. These are clauses that could stand as separate sentences since they have a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. The semicolon implies a closer relationship between the two thoughts than a period would. Example: many students struggle with mathematics. However, consistent practice can lead to significant improvement. Semicolons can be used before conjunctive adverbs or transitional phrases like however, therefore, namely, that is, etc., when they are used to connect two independent clauses. Example: solar energy is a promising alternative to fossil fuels. However, there are still significant hurdles to overcome in its widespread implementation. Semicolons are also useful for clarifying complex lists, especially when the list items themselves contain commas. Example: the conference attendees included Dr. Johnson, a renowned physicist from the United States, Dr. Suzuki, an influential climate scientist from Japan, and Dr. Mwangi, a leading environmental policy expert from Kenya. There you have it, the semicolon, a mighty tool in your academic writing toolkit. Remember, its primary role is to link closely related ideas. Use it to connect independent clauses, introduce conjunctive adverbs or transitional phrases, and clarify complex lists. Thank you for joining me on this punctuation adventure. Keep practicing, and soon the semicolon will become a natural part of your academic writing repertoire. Happy writing, and see you in our next lesson.